Babe, kuja nikupe kazi kidogo. Guys, look, our new pan. So today we are going to cook with the new pan. So I was fixing a little breakfast for us. I like to take it with strong tea, just a little. Yeah, that's how I love it. Nowadays, milk with tea with milk, I don't know. Yeah, I like to take with strong tea. So I see you later, guys. Guys, was it worth buying these sufurias? Let's find out. Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. So guys, so being on a Saturday today, I'm going to make use of my new sufurias, cooking with them for the first time. Okay, I did the pancakes in the morning, the drops I was making for breakfast as you have seen. But then I want to cook. I've never cooked with them actually, and I want to make a good meal out of them. So yeah, we start with a new start, you know, to see the luck. So I'm going actually with Taraji, we are going to get a chicken. We normally buy Kenyaji chicken. They will just slaughter for us. Is it slaughter? Yeah, the chicken for us, then we come back with it. Normally my hubby does this, but now he's in town. We have to do it. I want to cook lunch stroke dinner because it's 1 and my guys are full. We have some few things to eat here, so it will take time. But yeah, that's what we does on Saturdays. Actually, cooking, it's rare. So yeah, guys, that's what I wanna do. So let's find out about the sufurias. Then at the end of the video, I'll tell you whether they're worth it or not. And yeah, so let's do this. Come with us as we go buy our Kenyaji chicken. Why are you scared? Come, you see the chicken. Don't be scared. Just stand here. Look here, Mama. She's scared. Don't be scared. Look, they're not attacking you. Good job. Going home.
Let's go and play. No.
They miss each other. Just for a few minutes. And you are missing each other. Oh, guys are back. So I bought some okay, I need some greens. That is spinach for the side dish.
Hello.
I need to at least wash it a little.
Mommy, today is the 21st birthday. Yeah. I'm just pretending. Yes, but it's next year. Yes. It's not on 2026, it's on 2025.
So next
Who
year
says that? What did he say?
I don't know, guys, which one is bigger. This one is bigger. Mama, I'm not. So I'm taking you tomorrow to Naivas. Smelling good. You put cold in. Guys, I need to prepare spinach now. I'm so hungry. I don't know. After I've started cooking, I feel like I'm so hungry right now. Guys, so here's our chicken. I think it's almost.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Look at it, it's ready. So what I'm going to do, actually this one is not as hot as I thought. You know, you don't need to cook spinach for long. So I've prepared everything for the chicken. For my chicken, I don't like, especially the kienyeji, I don't put a lot of things. And like I said in my videos here, we don't use spices for my health, you know, the acid, and for my hubby as well. So I'll just put tomatoes. I'll use the tomatoes, onions, this is ginger, and this is garlic and dhania. So that's what I'm going to use for the chicken. We don't like carrots. I like it to taste like chicken, so yeah. So those will be enough for the chicken. Let's get to it. Our chicken is here. I just need to remove this stew, the soup that is. So guys, hey, the light, jamini. For the chicken, I'll just add a little oil, because the chicken, I feel like there's so much. Oh, you see the chicken? I wish even the onion can just be red without the oil, because it's a lot. I don't like it a lot, so. Babe, nisti mama ni. Oh gosh. So you have to manage the lights are go. Garlic and ginger, which I'm adding. It's natural. We like it that way. So just reduce the heat. More. at that. Ish. Ish, ish. So let's add our dhania. I think my chicken is almost ready. At what? The one I'm cooking. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, you can. But it's not as clear, guys. The lights are not yet back. Oh gosh. Let me fix this. You see the chicken? I can't even see it properly, but I'll show you guys after this. I think this will be enough, and the salt is good. So I just need it to boil a little because of the water I added. Oh, shoot. And that's it. Now our last but not least, rice. Rice is always the last one, guys, so that to remain hot. My kitchen is like that, so don't mind. The lights are back. Oof. When we are almost done, can you imagine? So there goes the chicken. Just wanted to see this one is ready. Our chicken is ready. This water is for the rice. Wipe the water. So for the rice, guys, I normally add a pinch of salt, a little. And today I don't feel like eating the white rice, so I'm going to add the carrots and oil, cooking oil. Yeah, just a little. So ya lela pia iko mbaya. Oh. Guys, can you tell I've been cooking in this kitchen for hours? I always leave the kitchen clean, and I've cleaned everything I was using. And now the food is ready. So let me show you. Is it hot? Here's the rice. Look at it. You see, it's not white. So, go to the chicken. Oh my gosh. And my people are hungry, so I'm hurrying up so that I can serve my family. And the spinach, I don't know if they keep the food warm, the sufurias, I'm not sure about it. So I need to taste the spinach, that will tell, but the others I'm sure they are hot, so no need of warming. Yeah. So guys, let me eat, then I'll let you know if they're worth how the food tastes here. So guys, let me serve my family food. I start with the king of the house. Welcome. My food. I'm always the last. I see you after I eat. Guys, I grew up in the village, and being in the village, guys, so there was this cooking pot for my grandmother. They were cooking, if you taste them, those cooking pots, they were these traditional pots. They used to cook githeri, and then you could tell the difference between that githeri and the one cooked with normal sufurias. So yeah, guys, it was so good that the githeri that was being cooked in the cooking pot, those traditional cooking pots, they were so, it was different and it was so sweet. So guys, what I'm trying to say is, you see these cooking pots, the question was, are they worth buying them? So yes, I can tell you 100%. They are so heavy, the way they are cooking slowly. You are just putting just a little heat, and when they get heated, guys, they are cooking slowly. So the food is so yummy. The chicken was so yummy, guys. So I'm telling you, they're worth buying. And someone were asking how much I bought them. So this is the thing, guys. People are selling at a different price, and I didn't want to say the price from the shop. You know, you can go and say like, you know, this person bought at this price, I want it like that. But when I bought them at 28,000, and there was a customer who came behind, and they sold at 30,000, you see, and it's the same shop. So that's why I didn't want to confuse people, but they're going, actually after buying them, I found someone else selling them at 21,000. So it is what it is, guys. So that's how I bought mine, like a month ago or something. So yeah, so that's how sellers are here in Kenya, but they are legit. If you find them attractive and you want to buy them, so you can go ahead and buy, guys. So yeah, guys, I see you on my next video, and always leave a comment on how you think. For me, I'm loving them. I'm loving it. Okay, this is the first time I'm cooking with them, so yeah, but I've loved everything. So yeah, I see you on my next video.